more expect magic e dey free Samobodo emfa se see ya yo Kotoko last season ebusapanyi ankoyi ordinarily say a basa Kotoko top player Kotoko maintain the current team na unim say gidi ankofo benya say Kotoko e dey kwaji league na ebusapanyi e be ba fam kakra because Kotoko played last season and placed eighth position and Kotoko di here after the 2025-2026 season here boy Sasante Kotoko e the same team omanya additions the omanya no so ba change coach equal league no e bia na confidence level of the supporters you bet ma kwajibo say e bia wo form but still coach ni bet ma bibi last season abujapanyi Ebra United eja openye din e de Ruben Amorim kwai no
yes
na man you added that 13th 12 omba panzo mo bidru 8 9 from ko bachi onko fa Michael Carey by man you are to player bia the same quality after the Arsenal United it be this second kura mani na omo run the league no so mo di third enti the challenge sometimes the mere change of the manager can give you positive results if you are so sure that player quality there. But board executive chairman as well can say yet tawachini ne say omo you ready so me provide be a coach ne be here to enhance the performance of the team because should the team put in the same performance on the 8th no you find league
board nkwa na yeso omo provide supporters will be here other bodies will be here e dey yet tawachi no ebebam
ade am pekwan say ya de be share team that supporters am stadium dia Kotoko nyi league Kotoko supporters na attendance last season na ye chair media de no league no if you do average the head the ball pa Ghana nipa ko ball pa Ghana ya Kotoko
amukro omusu no
onukwa usu this is not to say some supporters but I've always been telling you something Kotoko supporters asem yen developing kodru baby Manchester United performance nye but still there be Old Trafford ayema yen nru and yen to force you mfia kodru say all of a sudden and na Kotoko lusu kra babra sport nipa 20,000 ba beton yen sa ahade no me fa say demand pool so team ne bobo e she omo boko say attendance ne ye so the team would have to perform but I don't think that supporters yes omo role to play some chiche mu imechira omo target ne say supporters omo target board chairman dia bande board on the target manager on target playing body on the target and a technical team na playing but I want to focus on the border omo asset target no when MG asset target at the sports team is in the World Cup campaign period this is what we want you guys to do we also expect that at least they will provide us with the needed accoutrements the needed budget the needed equipment here and yeah adwuma no bo so mo de no aka ho so man fa no wanya excuse ade be gina so aka say ya kwa ya ka se pewe ya nya and they know that and so also providing them with Sadian and Shiba here about enhance your and I think that example works in this situation that board not set a target the coach so the board must provide materials na coach here
okay
almost provided we are the coach and the playing body Kotoko players almost we preseason on one back me no mo nkobodi esanko me did be na otwi mienu to the start of the season sebi eduru baby a no ma ye omo bibi omo tim omo bo no e ho omo de omo kon be ho enso bosumi nsia ne antua naka Kotoko no oba 24 na nsika reflect enso omo mfa hodi enhyem ye de omo di sankomo no but se baby e gina sesi ayi de abusua panyin si Pepe dan na me pena brosan entiazi atwoma hu iron rods do a ye be flow so cement ye be hia ese ma hu gravels stones ne ye beto no corridors do san ye beto weni we ye twotwo ni nyina ma wie na de ma me a ane okokoda na ba o expect say ye si abrosan ma but o ka so pa brosan ne ma hu say 1 ton of iron rods ye say ye be hia do say no wa start twotwo ho a ne ma wa tia say opanya ne dan ye nya ne fitia ne yɛnyɛ ne kakra bi na afei wate wo ho ase saa deɛ wowote wo ho ase a wo expect sɛ birifi aborosan de ama wo enti board no ɛwɔ the responsibility to ensure sɛ coach no and da bia meka sɛ bɛbisa panyi ɛnyɛ coach wo target apɛ nyina na wonya ɛnde wiase baabi a coach nya wo target a wopɛ nyina na abɛnya na mmom yɛnya dodoɔ no de ma wo a ebi wɔ kɔ yɛamɛsi ne yɛafa bi na ma wo you are supposed to work within saa deɛ provide deɛ ma na wayɛ ho adwuma ɛde ama
last question here though coach ne ma out ɛmɛkyerɛ deɛ wobɛhia to achieve saa target way wɔhyɛ a Kotoko yɛ ready na ɔmbɛtumi a provide saa materials na wɔhyɛ a ebi a we anticipate sɛ coach no ɛbɛ ase for no ama ɔmɔtumi de achieve saa target way
abusua me da ase ɛnyɛ den ɛma board yi sɛ na meka kyerɛ sɛ executive chairman no pɛ my info atwerɛ check de atua adakogya akye project no ɔmo yɛ no watua ka o nti contractor wo sɛ wobɛhia deɛ wobɛhia a kɔsi sɛ yɛaka bom yɛ quantify watua ka mene wo ka sɛ menso ɛne ten clubs apanyi ɔmo bosua ka tua no sɛ wote a ɛnyɛ sika ketewa o na nkɔfɔ no gye nawɔdwe o ɛgye no bosome biara board chairman ne board yɛ ready to do that so I'm not sure say woyɛ saa deɛ no nyinaa wie na wo provide the main input na de bɛyɛ adwuma no a ɛbɛyɛ de deɛma again we have said it abutapɛnya asante Kotoko team no ɛhia players bebrebe to become a side that will win that can compete for the league deɛ nkyɛ Kotoko di 8th wonim sɛ last game na Kotoko bɔɔ All Blacks bɛhyɛ ɔmo ha sɛ Kotoko hyɛ saa game na nka position yɛm sɛ 3rd o sɛ 4th ɛwɔ league table no so ɛti wo check a wobɛhu sɛ nyɛ sɛ na ɔmo yɛ too far from the top 4 top 5 top 6 thereabout ɔmo nyɛ too far from there deɛ ɛkyerɛ wo ne sɛ Kotoko team yɛm sɛ panyi if meyɛ obi a me na mpanyimfoɔ no mbɛdi nkɔmɔ about players a ɛyɛ sɛ Kotoko fa maximum 5 top quality players goalkeeper number 1 a top notch goalie te sɛ agbesi te sɛ deɛ Emmanuel Kobi ɛsɛ nkampa me Kotoko goalkeeper ka World Cup nkam Kobi o unya ɛno baako bi gyina upo no mu Kotoko doesn't have to spend money to buy a right back or a left back but board ne nkae sɛ yɛbɔ pro ne yɛhyɛ na season ase a aka patikasi do the last season ɔbɔ no Lord Amo last season ti se see eso mo contract extension. Esa Kotoko to center backs ebuja payi. Zakaria Fuseni na minim last season amfa e Kotoko. But I am not sure you can name 6 center backs in the Ghana Premier League. Omo de mo ebro Zakaria Fuseni de so. Et me pe one top center back abeka no. Hamzata wo youth team players no. Ebuja payi ma to goalkeeper. Na ma to center back. Kotoko holding midfielders no me na me to am into bi o. I can trust Adabo and Prince Badu Isco to deliver for me. Central midfielders no. Me to baako. One central midfielder. It's my top 3 of Japan.
Yeah.
Goalkeeper, center back, central midfielder.
Yeah.
Na anymore no. My pe goal scorer baako gyina. Goal scorer baako. Then a typical number 10. I will bet me operate on the wings. So me 5 players we are. A bet me Kotoko team na buta a compete for the Ghana Premier League. And ye yebo Ghana Premier League, ya me adom ne agye. Ya be kwa Africa near beefy up more but to compete in the league and I'm not sure sir getting 5 players and na ikura no. 5 players buta panyi. Ubet me anya bi mo a omo e free agent a omo e league mo a umfasika kase kaka and akakoto mo. I know the board no on my list. I know say omo coaches bi omo form omo ya monitoring omo nyina e dey omo report e dey abroad. The board has the means to provide the support now. Board chairman aka kire coach ne so be man no say e be tawachi. Some support no. I know very well say omo the means e be panyi. Omo ne support no at the ever moment. And if they are able to do that, it's incumbent on the coach and the playing body to begin to perform. And almost perform here. Ebe peja sante Kotoko no. I did not akọ baby a one more episode. So I'm not sure it's beyond the board. So Omoji League, we know Africa, we can talk about the quality at Africa. And there, untimi to talk to you here for free agent or hire there be. And there's ultimate breaky bank. Maybe a rubber king or go king was my chenaba. And now bet me room be a Nigeria. No, I go pay wing gabi or electrifying wing gabi so naba. Then you are preparing for the African campaign. But for the league campaign, I think that Kotoko are in a position of the penny. One of them me are competing favorably. At least maximum 5 signings, minimum 3 signings. Kotoko should be in a position to compete. And the board, the amount who are ready to fund transfers are Kotoko are remaining competitive. Ghana Premier League.
Okay.